Good morning and welcome to Magical Math Morning Session. Here we are learning everyday morning sharp at 7 a.m. One new trick in Vedic mathematics or mental maths or speed maths to enhance our mathematical skills so that we can enjoy the maths. And also, I want to share one update today. And the people who wants to get the regular worksheets, join the WhatsApp group that is given in the description box for this video, and then I'll be sharing weekly practice worksheets in that one free so that you can test your calculation speeds. I think this is going to help you. Okay, now let's continue with the learning. Today, we are going to learn extension of what we have learned yesterday. We had learned the squares of numbers close to the base, correct? And today, base means we were finding the numbers of squares like 102 square or 97 square or 1107 square, all these things. Today, what we are going to do, we are going to learn the numbers, not only the ones which are close to 10, 100, 1000, etc. Any multiples of 10 or multiples of 100 or multiples of 1000 also. Like if the number is multiples of 10, like 20, 30, 40, we should be able to do it. Like 1000 means 2000, 3000, 4000 also we should be able to do it. And 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 also we should be able to do it in few seconds. Let's take one example. Let me start with a simple number called 32 square. First, what we should do, we should identify the base. Base is 30 here. Means the nearest multiples of 10, 100 or 1000 that we have to identify. 30 can be written as 3 into 10. That means 10 is the actual base, 3 is called the sub base. You remember one trick we learned for multiplication already using this? Now, we will write this 32 as a difference from this original base. So 32, if you take 30 as the base, what is the deviation? It is plus 2. So again the answer will be comprising, because the base is having 1 0, so we'll be writing single digit. But 34 when we have with the sub base, that is 3, we should multiply. 34 3s are 102 followed by 4. This is one step that we'll be doing extra comparing to the previous method. Let's do one more example. See, when it is 2 digit, you can do the normal method also, like the vertically and crosswise multiplication. That is much easier. But this concept I'm explaining with the 2 digit number to make you understand. When it is a bigger number, I think this method is going to be helpful. Let's take 47 square. So 40 is the base, 4 into 10, 4 is the sub base, correct? No, so what we'll take? But 7 is little distance from 40. So what I'll do, instead of 40, easier one is 5. So I will take 50 as the base. 50 can be written as 5 into 10. Now 47 is deviating from 10 by minus 3. So what we'll do on the left hand side, we'll take 47 minus 3, that is 44. This we have to multiply by 5. And right hand side, what we'll do, minus 3 square, that is 9. 44 into 5 is multiply by 10, 440 divided by 2, it is 220 followed by 9. 2209. See, 440 is multiplied by 10 and divided by 2 we'll do for multiplying with 10. Correct? No? That trick we are going to use here. 2209. Yes. Let's take a little bigger number. Maybe some 3 digit number. Let's try. Take this color, which is more eye pleasing. Let's take 204 square. What is the base? 200. What is the sub base? 2. 2 into 100. Correct? No? So this we should think in terms of our mind. And the deviation of 204 from 200 is plus 4. So what we do? For this number, we'll add plus 4. 204 plus 4 will become 208 and multiply with the sub base into 2. And right hand side, what we'll do? 4 square, that is 16. 208 into 2 is 416. And 16 is having only two zeros like the base. Therefore, 16 will hit 41616 is the answer. Isn't it simple? Let's take one number little bigger and little complicated also. Yes. Let's take 482 square. This is closer to 500. Correct? No? So we'll take it as 5 into 100. 482 is deviating from 500 by minus 18. So what we'll do in the first step? 482 minus 18 we'll do 472 and 464 into 5 we have to do sub base, and right hand side what we'll do? Minus 18 square. Correct? 464 into 5 what we'll do? 4640 by half, that is 2320. Correct? No? And 18 square is 324. But only in this case it is having only two zeros. Correct? No? The base is having only two zeros. So this 3 I will carry here. The answer is 232324. Hope you understood. First, assume a nearest base. If it is 1, 2 or 3 means take the previous number. And if it is little closer to 6, 7, 8 means you take the next number. And then consider what is the sub base. With the base, you find the deviation. If it is plus means you add it, minus means you subtract it, and multiply with the sub base. Multiplying with the sub base is the only additional steps that you will be doing in this method. Shall I give one number, little bigger number? Okay. Let's take one number which may be bigger, like 8989. So what is the closest number? It is 9000. First write the deviation. 9000 is deviating from this by minus 11. So we'll write 8989 minus 11, that is 8978 into what? 9 into 1000. Correct? No? Into 9 we'll do. Then right hand side is minus 11 square. Multiplying with 9, you will be doing with the standard method. What we have? 897. You remember multiplying with that trick. Use that. You will be getting 808 80802. Sorry, 80802. We will get 80802 multiplying with this. And then minus 11 square is what? 121. How many zeros does the base has? 3 zeros. So directly this is the answer. 80802 121. Isn't it easy? Only one step multiplying with the base is, in multiplying with the base, if it is 2, we are doubling it. If it is 4, double and double it. If it is 5, into 10 by 2. These tricks we'll use. Into 9 or into 99 means what we'll do? We'll be taking the Nikilam Sutras method. Correct? Shall I give you a number? Will you people try? We'll start with a simple number. Okay? Find the square of 72. Try to do using this method. Okay? Not the other cross multiplication method. We should learn 1 or 2 or 3 methods so that when it will come to use, we don't know. Correct? No? Suddenly, whatever flashes to our mind, that we will use it. The base is 70, sub base is 7. Deviation is plus 2. Very good. Wow. Some of you have done very fast, and I'm very happy for that. Yes. 72 plus 2 will give you 74. into 7 we have to do. This is the only one which is going to take time. And then we have 2 square. 74 into 7. If you don't know, 77s are 490, 7 fours are 28. So 518. 2 square is 4. This is the answer. Very good. Let's do maybe 306 square. Do this. Consider just this 3 into 100. Directly we can write 312. Correct? No? Into 3. And it's very easy. Followed by 6 square. These numbers we can do very fast, correct? No? Into 3 is also very easy. No. You have to multiply with 3. 3 is the sub base, not with 6. Correct? 306 plus 6. Plus 6 is the deviation. So 306 plus 6 is 312. Yes, that is, no, there also someone has done mistake. 312 into the sub base we have to do, not with 6. So 312 into 3 is 936, and 6 square we have to do. 6 square is not 12, 6 square is 36. Yeah, some confusion here, but let's practice with one more number. Okay, yes, 93636. Let's take, I will give you a simple number only. Maybe we'll take 512 square. So the base you can consider is 5 into 100 with a deviation of plus 12, and multiplying with 5 is very easy. 512 plus 12, 524 into 5 we should. Into the sub base. This you don't forget it. Previously you did with the deviation. Into 5 means just multiply with 10 and no. Usually 3-digit number means approximately it comes around, only if it is starting with 1 or 2, it will come with a 5-digit number. More than that means it will come a 6-digit number. Like that, we should use our basic knowledge to cross check whether that is correct or not. That is perfect. Very good. So how do you multiply with 5? It's very easy, no? Add 1 0, multiply by 10, and write half of that. 2, 6, 2. That's it. 2, 6, 2, 0. And 12 square is 144. Because there are only 2 zeros, 1 I will carry here. You got the correct answer. 262144. Try to do this. 709 whole square. 709 whole square. Deviation is just 9 from 700, where 7 is the base, 7 is the sub base. Very good. And this is perfect also. Correct? No? Deviation is plus 9, sub base is 7. 709 plus 9 is 718. This you are going to multiply by 7. Only multiply by 7. Let's do in the normal way also. Correct? No? We can do it. And then we got 9 square is 81. So we got 718 into 7 is 5026. 81 is the answer. 5026 it is. Correct? No? Yeah. It requires a little bit of practice. Only when there is a multiplication of 7, 3 and 6 you will take some time. All others it will be very easy to multiply. Let's take one number which is less than the base. Okay, bigger number I want to give. Suppose you want to find square of 6996. The nearest 1000 we will consider in this case. Correct? No? Whatever is the number of digits, that nearest 1000 we are going to consider. 7000. Correct? No? That means 7 into 1000. Deviation is -4. And sub base is 7. Again, you are multiplying with 7, it takes little time. Correct? No? 6996 minus 4 is 6992. Into 7 we should do. And right hand side, what we'll do? -4 square we'll be doing. We will not write all these things. Directly you are going to write the answers, okay? What I'm explaining. But when it comes to 16, consider the number of zeros. And multiplying of this, I will do with the normal method. When it comes to 7, it is easier to do with the normal method. This is the one. Yes, 48944 and -4 square is 16. But because the base contains 3 zeros, we have to make it 3 digits. So I will write 016. Isn't it clear? Very easy, correct? Only thing is the multiplying with the sub base is the only one step of addition that we do. And some of you who had joined today, I want you to go through the video of yesterday and learn the normal method so that you will understand these steps much easier. Just multiply with the sub base, rest everything is exactly same like how you multiply, find the squares near to 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and all. Very good. And like I said, I'm going to share the workshop in the WhatsApp group, and I have given the link for that WhatsApp group in the description of this video. In the group, and there you are going to get the worksheets on the every weekend. And tomorrow morning, because I will be traveling, I don't know whether I will be free at that time, so I will not be having a session. I want to give you a practice session worksheet. I will start from the beginning tomorrow, and Saturday also I'm giving. And from now onwards, every Saturday, Sunday, for you to practice, I will just upload one practice worksheet in that WhatsApp group. So you can add your friends also or members also into that group, and then let them also learn the magical math tricks. So definitely, I think you are enjoying these sessions, and we are almost completing the 10th week, and many things you have learned. And the next week we'll be starting with the division techniques. So we'll see you live Monday morning sharp at 7. Till then, bye bye.